In VisuNet Control Center, you can easily generate reports that give you a clear overview of your HMI infrastructure. These reports provide key information about your devices, including software versions, operating system details, and other audit-relevant data. Having this information helps you stay compliant, verify configurations, and ensure full transparency for inspections. Let's take a look at how you can create and export such a report in just a few steps. First, go to File and then click on Export Data. On the left, you can see the different categories of information that can be exported. Some categories are already pre-selected, but let's start from scratch and click Clear All. Now we'll choose the data we want to include in our report. Let's select device name, the group name, which in this case represents the room or area, the last VisuNet RM shell version, and the serial number. We'll also include the IP address. As you can see, there are many categories available, such as license information, write filter settings, and device configurations for components like mouse and keyboard. You can also export information about profiles to see which remote connections are configured on each device. Finally, we also want to include OS information, and we'll select the product name and the release ID. Here you can adjust the column width to make the data easier to read. Now you can export the report, either directly as an Excel or CSV file, or by selecting the print icon for additional export options. In the print view, you'll find additional export formats such as PDF, HTML, or Word files. For this example, we'll export the data as a CSV file. Simply give the file a name and save it. We'll also create a PDF version of the report, which automatically includes a date and timestamp. In the print view, you can also add a watermark or send the report directly via email.